Hello all, welcome to our channel. So this is about the discovery ad. So how we can creating for discovery ad? What is the major options? And we all discuss about in the particular options. Coming to go to the AdWords, select campaign, click for new campaign option. In this new campaign, we have a particular option name is called lead. In a lead generation purpose, we have option name is covered discovery. Discovery is mainly YouTube Gmail discovery ad, but is a specification for mobile users targeting purpose. Website traffic, discovery ad. Sales, discovery ad. This one, no discovery ad. Awareness, no discovery ad. There is a particular give the campaign is called sales, lead generation, website traffic. Suppose you will be target more for website traffic for selecting discovery. Suppose I don't have any specific goals. Suppose you don't have any kind of specific goals. They target by the website. Maybe website traffic and leads. Traffic nothing but automatically will getting for leads. Selecting your website, copy. Discovery ad mostly is a target by the your website traffic generation purpose. But there are three kind of options are there: Gmail, YouTube, and Discover. But is mostly specified by Discovery is a mobile device purpose. Keep it in mind. This will be complete for mobile users. The target by the mostly of the mobile users. Mostly nothing but most of the person they will target by the mobile users. Now, just look. I have to take some time here. Open your page. We'll go to one second refresh. Page sometimes will be loading. So take some time. That time we can go for refresh it. The page will be open easily. So what are the steps we have to follow? The steps easily you can follow and create the campaign. Just a second. The page was opening here. So first of all, step. What is your budget? My budget is daily will be 500. The campaign may not perform well because your budget too low. Your selected bidding strategy maximum conversion will be try to setting it 3735 instant. Suppose is average you want spend each day. The budget first of all the campaign in your first location India. Selecting language here and this will be most of the conversion maximum conversion bid language budget they will be minimum 3573. Suppose I am given by 500, you will not accept it. The minimum budget will be here and conversion action. This will be conversion action will be create from the option name is called here. There is particular conversion will be here option. In the conversion will be website app conversion. There are multiple options are here: website, app, phone call. So already I'm creating for website conversion. That I'm selected will be here. Click book an appointment. Is a website conversion. More option. Add schedules. Any particular day your schedule will be running at the specific time. Or else we have option start date end date. Any you can go to specific end dates. Suppose this will be select end date will be 30. Exactly 30 date, the ad will be closed automatically. Next option, your extension and content extension. Depend on option, we can use the content extension, but is not acceptable. So that option will be last one, URL extension. Any URL, tracking templates, URLs we can add by here. That is a depend on your option. Next. Next is called audience segments. What is the audience segment? They will be called new audience segment. People within any in this interested or purchase extensions are people who are searching for any of these terms on Google. Yes, there is a search on Google. Save. Add search terms. Digital marketing training. Save. Any kind of changes you can click for edit. There will be changes here. So they all will be here. Search engine marketing. Which is your nearby here? We can use the all kind of keywords. So this is the option. There is the total 11.111 billion. Search on Google, they will be showing the particular option will be here. Search on Google option. Now it's a million views will be search will be here. Anything you will be change and change will be here. These are option. Gender 69% male, age 49% 18 to 24 years. And here is the all options are here. Any age people who will be searching more, they will be search will be here. Save option. Audience segment is more important. Next, demographic. So what are the age people target? I can target up to 44 years, not for more than age people I'm target. Based on the target, their impressions and their clicks, they're not showing the conversion value. That is only one problem will be here. And user optimized target. So automatically they will target by the ads have seen an average 20% more conversion by using optimized target option. So that is this option will be used to the particular audience. So this is a particular audience target segment. Next one is called ad. How to create ad? Discovery, cursor ad, discovery ad. Multiple images, first option. One image, second option. Select here, first of all, URL, image and logo. In the selecting for image and logo, there is a scan your particular web series first, which is useful. They will target will be here. See this one. If it is not useful, go back here. Upload your own pictures. We can go to your particular web link and first of all, note the sizes. The first size will be here. They will be 1200 by 627. 1200 by 627, the first size. That ratio will be 1.91 is to 1. 1200 by 627. Please note down dimension. It is very important. People are previous in my YouTube when I'm doing the campaign time. So what is our exact size? The compulsory people is forgetting. The size will be 1200 by 621, 627 dimension, first dimension. Select ratio. Next. There is a particular another size. You have to select it. The size name is called 4:5, 600 into 750 option. If you want go to logo is not acceptable. Where is a small logo you can select. But that is I'm selecting for image. Again, logo also will be acceptable. Add the logo also. Select the ratio. Next one, select it. Another size will be selected here. That will be. I can show repeat once again, no need to worry. These are 1080 by 1080. Is an Instagram post size. You can use them. There is a 1:1 selector ratio. Select it. This ratio will be 600 to 750, 4:5 ratio. Next one. We can go to logo. Logo size, here is the option. Go to logo, 500 by 500, select it and save it. Based on that, image will be selected properly. So this image will be shown to here in this digital marketing. Each headline will be, we can use 5 headline. Each headline will be up to, we can use the total 40 characters. So that is the mostly important will be here. Each one will be 40 characters. You can use it for complete for 5 headlines. So this will be mostly helped by the users, how we can handling the Google AdWords option as email marketing. Headline will be, we can use 5 headlines. Each headline will be, we can use from the 90 characters. So how many description we can use? There's a 5 and description will be 90 characters up to 5, not the title. Title will be 40 characters up to 5. But description will be up to we can using for particular option. So here we can go to this option in your training. Select your option. So we can selecting for copy this. We can use this option. We can add this option. Next, same will be used this. Learn with the digital marketing. We can add by the SEO training. Another we can add in for SEO replace. We can add in for SEM training. So what is the we can add it here in this. Here last headline, your wish. You can use or your without use also. So 5 headlines we can use. We can use the 5 headlines. No need to worry that one. So anything will be missing, add it. Email marketing training. So call to action. There is options are here. Apply now, book now, contact us, download now, learn more, visit website, shop now, sign up, get code, subscribe, see more. Any option we have to give this one. Visit site or contact us. So they will be option will be given by the contact us. I'm already intimate. Coming to this desktop and mobile, only few option will be shown this. YouTube is not visible. Gmail only visible by the in a particular desktop. Where is Gmail? If anybody opened by Gmail option, there is called promoted options are in your Gmail is there. Promoted. In the particular promoted, any particular ads are visible. Like in a social also ads available in this. Here ads are will be shown to the particular customer. This is called all will be you can show by the discovery ads. We can show to the particular customers. There is called we can reach the your particular audience will be in a particular option. This one. But in your mobile version, Gmail is successful. YouTube also will show to the ads will be here. That is the mostly YouTube like this. This ad will how we can show this. Same like you can show by the mobile device. But in discovery, only you can show by the mobile devices, most of the discovery. Desktop is not. This is a display ad, so that is created by YouTube. But in a discover ad, only we can target by the mobile users. Desktop is only for Gmail, even not accepting for discover ad also. Your ad will be only appear on computer via Gmail. Your ad will appear more places as support is added. Coming to the mobile device, discovery accepted, discovery like this, in between range of, I'll show you. Any website is writing for content. So here, within the content. in ad between the range, they can show to the particular customers. So in between the range of image with the text will be here. They show your particular ad will be for particular customers. This will be complete for Gmail. This will be discovery ad like this. They show you website link along with image and text like this with Oziva. So this discovery only target by the in a particular mobile users image, headline and description. Each headline will be use 40 characters, but comment to AdWords, there's a 30, this will be 40 characters. Description will be 90. You can using for 5 description here. Finally, create ad with the contact form. You select your language, Australia, anything. This will be, I'm selecting for UK. Any other language you can select from here. There's only one language will be there, English with the UK. Create ad. So how many ad you can create? You can create this ad will be how many ads you have to show the customer. Create that. Dimensions are very important. Don't forget these dimensions. Create Discover ad to show on Google's, YouTube, Gmail, and Discovery properties by uploading your assist. Where we can all this. Is it clear? This is all nothing but discovery ads. This is showing for impression and clicks, but they can't show the conversion rating. That's the only one drawback. Finally, go to review. After click the publish your campaign. If anything wrong, immediately the review is finished. They will show it is successful done or ineligible or rejected. They show you the particular campaign. So finally, I'm clicking for publish the campaign. Any campaign you are wrong, they can't go. The next step will be not procedure. So that is the main. But here is the only budget is called 3,750 rupees per day budget will be shown to the particular customers. It's a very huge amount for the particular customers. So those the campaigns are here. Click for ad group. In this ad eligibility is there. You can check for each and every ad to the particular customers. So this all ad will be given to the particular audience and particular ad option. Any further question about discovery ads, can feel free to ask to my channel. I definitely will be support you. If any further question, you can ask me to that. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.